Hello, welcome to GenuiSoft. In this session, I will introduce you the specific mechanism concerning the configuration and the import and export configuration file for GenuiSoft Explorer. In precedent session, I will introduce you the main mechanism concerning the switch between Windows Explorer and GenuiSoft Explorer. Just for remind, when I start a simple bat file, okay, I close Windows Explorer, I kill the process, and I start the GenuiSoft Explorer. You retrieve here just a simple desktop, init desktop. You are just only a one desktop. When I close the application, I kill my Explorer and I restart Windows Explorer. I press to quit, you retrieve Windows 10. Okay, but here in the configuration file, when just I'm going to configuration, document configuration, you have a file on the folder my document GenuiSoft preference configuration, a file named configuration file. I open with Altova XML spy. You retrieve desktops on the children, only a one desktop node. You have ID identifier 1, the name in desktop, and many other nodes concerning the background, the wallpaper display on the desktop, and many links present. Concerning the links, you have an ID, a GUID, a unique identifier, the key and the value concerning the shortcut, the value, the relative URL, but just this is a demonstration. On the deployment, on the production mode, how the ID, how the node are encrypted with a key, not is unclear. How the key and value concerning the shortcut on this file of the configuration file are encrypted. It's just for the demonstration. But concerning this XML file is very practice because it's just a little file, don't have many memory, possibility to store by mail with a USB key. I close this file. Here I have in my desktop another configuration. I open this file with XML spy. You retrieve here 3 desktop. First, named Trader Place, secondly, Video Test, and 3 Office Desktop. You have here many links concerning the shortcut for one desktop and for the secondly and thirdly desktop. I copy paste the configuration file on GenuiSoft preference configuration. I copy paste, I replace on the destination folder, I replace it. You retrieve here the configuration concerning 3 desktop. I restart my application. I close Windows Explorer and I start GenuiSoft Explorer. Just to wait a little seconds. You retrieve here the 3 desktop. Trailer Place, Video Test, Office Desktop. I go to Video Test. You retrieve a new desktop. Office Desktop is working. All is good. I press to quit. I press to enter key and I restart Windows 10 desktop. Concerning the configuration, I return to configuration file. I open with XML spy. I retrieve the 3 desktop. I rename the first by Trader Place with Trader Place video test. I save the file and I restart my application. Just to wait a little second. You retrieve here trailer place video test. You can see trailer video test. The big interest concerning this functionality is to have a portability concerning the configuration file with a simple XML file. Is very practice, is very wonderful. Just you need to import or export this file with a USB key or by mail. Concerning the multiple installation for 10 or 100 PC concerning your company, the system administrator just need to install this file for many PC. Just a simple configuration file for how the new Explorer on your PC. Is very practice, very portability. For finish, concerning all the configuration in deployment in production mode, all the key and value, all the content of this configuration file are encrypted, or all are encrypted. With a new functionality, there are the possibility to store all the desktop configuration concerning GenuiSoft Explorer on databases with SQL Server or Oracle Server. Just concerning this demonstration, I use XML file, but is more practice on closed environment on a new company to use the functionment with XML file. This presentation is finished. If you have any question, I invite you to see my website, GenuiSoft.com. This demonstration is finished. Thank you very much for all. Have a nice day. Thank you.